Hi! Today I decided to show you how to make a candle that won't go out even if you soak it in water. For this, we need some thick cardboard, a wax candle, and a jar or bottle. Cut the cardboard into pieces for easy storage. Break the candle into pieces to make it easier to melt. Then mix everything together and let it cool. Then I put everything in another jar and deliberately filled it with water so you can see that my life hacks work and will be useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.